Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from wapinas.com. And for those friends of mine that have been checking out the website lately, you know that I used to relax, right? And we've had other vape products in the channel before. And then someone sent me this, the Allo Vape something. I can't read it. Okay, so here it is. Allo Vaping Device Kit. A starter pack comes with 3 pods ready: blue raspberry, pineapple ice, and frost. Okay, this one's called red. Okay, so we're gonna see how it compares to the Relax. Okay, Relax recently changed their format from the classic to this new one. Okay, I like the classic better compared to this one, and the juice tastes better than the classic one tastes better, right? So I'm gonna open it up and see exactly how this Allo looks like. And from what I hear, Allo has there's also compatible pods brand that is compatible with an Allo device. Oop. And apparently there's this here, okay, that it's like a cigarette that you tear up. Okay, so stupid me. Well, there's these pods that are also compatible with Allo devices. I forgot what name it is. A friend of mine that owns a vaping station sent me this, so let's see what it has. Okay. It's so well packed, so let's just doesn't want to come out. See, it's so tightly packed in there. I don't know why. Maybe it has stickers or something under. Still won't come out. See. So anyway, it's mine. Also, the bottom is taped with the plastic. That's why it won't come out. Okay, the device. Okay. Has this inside with the standard warning, user manual, and if you look at it, it's almost it's a little bit taller than a Relax. The pods doesn't fit, of course, and then it's also a Type C, which is a Type C. Okay, comes with a Type C charger, short one. Okay, and when you open the box for the pods. Okay. You can see there's 3 of it. The frost is the green one, the yellow one is the pineapple, and the blue. We'll do the pineapple first. Okay. So there's a cover in the bottom, as you can see, and this one you pull it out. See, okay, and according to my friend, you let it stand for 1 minute, okay, before you use it, and then you just plug it in like that, I assume. And push it down. Okay, it snaps. You hear it? See? Okay. Let's test if it's charging. Okay, I can actually smell the pineapple. So, according to my friend, let it stand for about a minute before you do anything with it, so that I guess the wick or something saturates with juice, and then you're good to go. Okay, you can buy Allo pods in, I think they're available in most countries. In the Philippines, they have it in Lazada. They also have the disposable vapes, which cost about $198. The pods for a 3-pack cost $499, which is comparably so much cheaper than Relax, is about $750 each. Oh no, the $499 is Relax Classic and VIX compatible pods. Okay, not the. Okay. Wait, it doesn't say how much the pods are for Allo. Here it's $4.49. So actually so much cheaper than that. So that's a quick unboxing for the Allo vape. In other countries, I checked, Canada has about this for $24. US also has almost for the same price. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.